Have you registered for the Cardiovascular Summit virtual meeting? If so, this video tutorial will show you how to navigate the meeting site and make the most out of your virtual experience. How do I access the meeting? To begin, if you have already registered for Cardiovascular Summit Virtual, you can navigate to the virtual meeting site in a few ways. In the welcome email sent to the email address you provided during registration, you can click the Login button underneath the digital venue is now open header. You can also launch the virtual course from the meetings listing page on acc.org. Or you can simply type virtual.acc.org/CVSummit21 directly into your web browser's address bar. Once there, you may be prompted to log in. Clicking either of the login buttons will temporarily redirect to acc.org, where you can log in using your acc.org credentials associated with registration. You will then be automatically taken back to the virtual meetings homepage. How do I navigate the virtual meeting website? From the homepage, you have a few options. Scroll down to see a selection of pre-conference webinar sessions airing on February 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 10th. Note that all will be available on demand 24 hours after the live stream concludes. On the top navigation bar, click the Agenda tab to view a page listing all on-demand and live events, along with their dates and times. Click the Sessions tab to view a page where you can access all virtual sessions for the meeting. Please note that if a session has not yet happened, a lock will appear when hovering over the thumbnail, as shown here. If multiple live sessions are occurring simultaneously, you will be able to choose which channel you wish to view. Note that all live sessions will be available on demand, either immediately or shortly after broadcast at this same location. Selecting the Posters tab will take you to a page with links to poster presentations on a wide variety of cardio-oncology topics. Clicking on a poster title will take you to the video recording of that presentation, and clicking Attachments underneath will allow you to download the poster itself. The Exhibit Hall tab will feature an interactive exhibit hall, available from February 11th through February 25th. Additionally, a live symposium will feature a non-certified session from industry partners on February 12th and will be available on demand afterwards through April 30th. Lastly, the Engage tab will show you the many ways you can continue the discussion, gain and share knowledge, and connect with other professionals in the cardiovascular community through social media, the Cardiovascular Management member section on acc.org, clinician wellness resources, and more. How do I use the chat feature? During live pre-conference and conference sessions, you will be able to use the chat feature to ask presenters questions and interact with fellow participants. When you begin streaming a live session, you will be able to type in the chat window and read what others are saying on the right-hand side of the screen as shown. How do I claim credits? The window for credit claiming opens on February 13th and closes on April 30th, 2021. If a session offers credit, the credit type is indicated underneath the session thumbnail and title, as shown here. To claim credit once the window has opened, go to the meeting homepage and click on the Evaluation and Credit Claim button in the right-hand box. This will lead you to a form which must be completed and submitted to claim credits. Please note that until February 13th, this button will be grayed out, as shown. You will only be able to complete the evaluation and credit claim once, so please make sure you have finished your participation in the certified content you wish to claim credit for before proceeding.